Hi, my name is Alex Bradley. I'm a zoo educator here at Grandfather Mountain Stewardship Foundation. And with me is Miss Peaches. She is a amelanistic corn snake. Amelanistic means that some of her coloring isn't fully expressed. Normally they are more brown and red. She is really excited to explore. So they actually will explore and sense things with their tongues, which is why a lot of times you'll see their cute little tongues just flicking out, and so that is so they can sense what is around them.